Like, the other day, I was just sitting and I thought to myself, I thought I had to sneeze. And when you sneeze, like, for you, it's probably okay. But when I sneeze, normally people run away. Normally, if I'm by the ocean, it causes this terribly great tidal wave. Or if I'm in the middle of the country, like, I do a total Seahawks 12th man earthquake that you can feel everywhere. So when I thought that I had to sneeze, I yelled. I told everyone that they should duck and cover because they don't want snot on their faces unless it's their own snot. So that's what I yelled, and then I didn't sneeze. So they didn't have snot on their faces, but they were angry at me for yelling. Next time, I'll just let them stay there and reap the benefits of my sneeze. That's what I'll do. You people should think before you get angry.